In 2025, artificial intelligence is transforming how we live, work, and connect. From healthcare breakthroughs to smarter cities, AI is integral to our lives. But alongside its potential, challenges like data privacy and job displacement demand our focus. Let's explore AI's profound impact on humans in 2025. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. Wearable devices track real-time health, and AI algorithms predict illnesses, enabling timely interventions. This means better care and more lives saved. In workplaces, AI automates mundane tasks, letting humans focus on creativity and strategy. Tools like AI assistants are boosting productivity across industries. Smart cities powered by AI optimize traffic, conserve energy, and enhance safety. Imagine your home adapting to your preferences, creating a seamless experience. In education, AI creates personalized learning experiences, making education accessible globally. Virtual reality adds immersive elements, redefining how we learn. However, AI's automation disrupts traditional jobs. Industries like manufacturing and customer service see major shifts, highlighting the need for upskilling. AI thrives on data, raising privacy concerns. Striking a balance between innovation and safeguarding personal information is essential. Unchecked biases in AI systems can lead to inequities. Ethical development is critical to promote fairness and inclusion. Over-reliance on AI makes us vulnerable to outages or failures. Maintaining human oversight is vital for resilience. AI in 2025 is a double-edged sword, fueling innovation while reshaping society. By fostering ethical practices, investing in education, and protecting privacy, we can harness AI's power for good. Together, we can create a future where AI and humanity thrive in harmony. Shaping the Future with AI 2025. Subscribe for more insights on AI and technology.